Hi everyone, welcome to today's class for the sciatic nerve. So I know a lot of you struggle with lower back pain, and today's class will help us to strengthen this area of the body and stretch it a little bit. If you feel any pain during these exercises, please stop doing them and check in with your doctor. Otherwise, this is a really great practice to really strengthen this lower part of the back. So you will see some exercises that we normally don't do in yoga, but that are great for this lower part of your back. So let's get started in a standing position. And I want you to just rub your hands together. Create some heat and bring one hand on your heart and one on your belly. And we take 3 deep breaths together. Then gently open your eyes. Bring your arms together so that you grab opposite elbows with your hands. Come to a wide-legged stand, so not really wide-legged, it's a little bit more than hip width apart, that you have a good standing here. And then reach your arms up over your head and we will do some big torso circles. So we start by leaning over to the right. And then we come down with our torso, come over to the left and reach up on the left side again. 2 more on this side. Move slowly and gently. And maybe when we come down, focus on this lower end of your spine. Last slow circle in this direction. And when you reach the top, reverse your circles. So come over to the left, down and up on the right. 2 more. And then slowly come up. And relax your arms down. We stay in the standing position. Bring your hands to your hips and find good stability here, and maybe bring the weight into your left leg. And our next exercise is to simply lift up the right leg as high as we can up to the right side. So let's do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, keep your belly engaged here. 4, last one, and 5. Great. Bring the right foot down and we do the same on the left side. So shift your weight into the right foot and we lift the left leg up. For 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, and for 5. Great. We keep on standing and we now move into warming up our lower spine, and we do this with half sun salutations. So half sun salutations are that we reach the arms up. We exhale, swan dive forward to a forward bend. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale back down to forward bend. Inhale and we come up back to standing and bring the hands to our heart. I know this is easy, but I want you to really focus on this lower back area. So every time we inhale and exhale, bring the attention to your lower back. So let's do 3 rounds of this. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, reach up. And hands to heart. 2 more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, all the way back up. Exhale, hands to heart. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Stay here. We will stay here. And make sure to bring your feet hip width apart. Bring your hands onto your thighs. And we will start to do some cat and cow stretches here. And the focus should be again on our lower back. So with the inhale, lift your chest up and put your booty out to the back. And when we exhale, we round the back and we tuck the tailbone under. So it looks like this. Inhale, booty goes out. Exhale, booty goes in. We do this for like almost a minute. So find your rhythm here. And really bring your attention to this lower back area. And you will feel after a couple of times how this will work and warm up your lower back. Keep on going. Remember, if you feel pain, stop this exercise and maybe come to a forward bend. Otherwise, we keep going. And by now, you should really feel how we're strengthening the lower back. Awesome. A few more. Last 5. Last one. And relax down. Let your head hang heavy. Awesome. Then slowly roll up to standing. And we take a moment here in mountain pose. Just find your breath. It's always amazing how these tiny movements can make us sweat. And then slowly sit down on your mat. Extend your legs in front of you. And we will do a kind of forward bend variation. So extend your arms in front of you that they are parallel to your legs. And with our inhale, we reach forward as far as we can. We don't touch the feet or toes or anything. Just reach forward as far as we can. Our chest keeps on opening and the back is straight so that we focus on this lower part of the back. And we exhale and come back to our staff pose. So inhale forward, exhale back. Let's do 20 of this. Inhale and exhale. Find your own pace. And really focus on the stretch in your lower back every time that you move forward. Halfway through. Only a few more. I know you can do this. It's just stretching forward. Last 3. And 2. And last 1, stretch forward and come back. Stay in a seated position. And we will do some simple leg lifts. That's all that we are doing. So keep your right leg engaged and grab your left leg, and you can use your hands to help you. And we will lift the left leg up as high as you can, hold it here and bring it back down. Let's do 4 more like this. Lift the left leg up, awesome, and down. And lift up for 3. Okay, lift up for 2, and maybe you feel a little shaking here, that's great. And last time, lift up, and this time walk your hands forward as far as you can, so maybe you can reach your ankle, lift your chest up high here, or maybe you can grab your foot. Awesome, keep your back straight, stretch your hamstrings here. You can stay here, or if you want to go a little further, you can grab your left foot from the outside and reach your left hand back. Awesome. Then come back to your foot and slowly lower the left leg down, and we do the same on the other side. So keep the left leg engaged and we lift the right leg up for 5 times. Lift up. And lower down. I like to keep my feet engaged here, so either you can point or you can flex your foot. 3 more, lift up and lower down. And 2 more. Awesome, last one. Lift up as high as you can, hold it up. And reach your hands to the front and try to grab your foot, your ankle, or whatever you can reach, but try to keep your back as straight as it can be. Lift the chest up, and maybe you can grab the outside of your right foot with your left hand and reach the right hand to the back. Then come back to the front and lower both legs down. Maybe shake them off a little bit. It will get easier now, I promise. Let's lift the left knee up and step your left foot over your right foot so that it's on the outside of your right knee. And you can either hug your left knee in and bring your left hand to the back for a twist, or you can even bring your arm to the outside of your left knee and maybe bring your right hand into a mantra and come to this seated twist. Pull the belly button in and relax your shoulders down here. And just take deep belly breaths. Then come back to center. Quick counter twist to the right side. And we do the same on the other side. So lift your right knee up, step the right foot over the left leg, hug your right knee in and bring the right hand behind your back. Lift your chest up high, pull the belly button in and twist over to the right side. Close your eyes here and enjoy the stretch. There should not be a lot of weight in your back hand. It's only here to support your twist. Then come back to center. Quick counter twist to the left side. Then bring both legs in front of you. And our next pose will be a butterfly pose. So as I said, it will get easier now. Bring the soles of your feet together. You can bring the feet close to your body or a little bit further away. Lift your chest up, relax your shoulders down, and then fold forward a little bit so that you feel a nice stretch between your hamstrings, but also in your lower back. Let your head hang heavy here and relax. Just let go of all the stress in your life. Imagine that with each exhale, something that is bothering you is flowing out of your body. Then slowly come back up and make your way to a lying position on your back. We will do a couple of bridge poses. So keep your feet on your mat, your knees are pointing up. Bring the shoulders under your back and try to reach for your heels with your fingertips. And we will lift our hips up 5 times, slowly and gently, and try to focus on each vertebra every time we roll up and we roll down. So inhale, lift your hips up high and reach up your pelvis. And then exhale, slowly roll back down. 4 more like this. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to reach down. Inhale up. Imagine you have a block between your knees that you have to hold there and press together. And slowly roll back down. 2 more. Gently lift your hip up high, a little higher. And come back down. Last one. Inhale to lift up as high as you can. Hold at the top for a moment here. And then slowly roll back down. Bring your knees into your chest and gently roll from side to side, massaging your lower back here. This should feel really good now. Then bring both of your feet back on the mat. Bring your left ankle onto your right thigh and we set up for a reclined pigeon pose. So grab your right knee and gently pull your right knee in the direction of your right armpit. Your left knee should reach away from you and you should feel a nice stretch in your hip but also in your lower back. Close your eyes here and enjoy this nice stretch. Gently switch sides. First bring both feet down on the mat and then bring your right ankle onto your left thigh. Grab your left knee from both sides and pull your knee into your chest. With each exhale, you can pull a tiny little bit more. Great. And come back to your breath. In and out. Then release the pose, and you can either come to a Shavasana or you can come with me if you have a wall close by to a legs up the wall position, where you bring your body as close to the wall as possible and then bring your legs up the wall. So exactly as the name of the pose says. It's more difficult than you think to bring your body as close to the wall as possible. But after you find your position, you can bring your arms next to you, or you can bring one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Release your feet and let them fall gently to the sides. And come back to your breath. Then slowly deepen your breath. And bring your feet back down. And find a seated position on your mat. Bring your hands to a prayer in front of your heart. Thanks for practicing with me today. Namaste.